How to remove blur from a low-resolution video.
In this video, we will discuss if it's possible to remove blur from a low-resolution video and provide a general overview of the process.
Is it possible to remove blur from a low-resolution video?
The short answer is yes. It is possible to remove blur from a low-resolution video to some extent. However, the degree of success depends on the quality of the original video, the type of blur, and the tools used.
What causes blur in a low-resolution video?
Blur can be caused by several factors, including 1. Motion blur, caused by movement of the subject or the camera during recording. 2. Out-of-focus blur, occurs when the camera's focus is not set properly. 3. Compression artifacts, result from lossy video compression algorithms. Understanding the cause of the blur is essential for choosing the right method to remove it.
How can blur be removed?
There are different techniques and tools that can help remove blur. Some popular methods include 1. Sharpening filters, enhance the edges in the video to create a clearer image. 2. Deblurring algorithms, use advanced mathematics to estimate and reverse the blurring effect. 3. Super resolution techniques, increase the resolution of the video, making it less blurry. Keep in mind that while these methods can improve the video's quality, they can't always restore it to a perfect state.
What are the limitations of removing blur?
Removing blur from a low-resolution video has its limitations. 1. Loss of information. If the video's resolution is too low, there might not be enough information to restore the details. 2. Introducing artifacts. Some deblurring techniques can create unwanted visual artifacts in the video. 3. Time-consuming process. High-quality deblurring algorithms can be computationally expensive, taking a long time to process. To sum up, it is possible to remove blur from a low-resolution video, but the results depend on the quality of the original video, the type of blur, and the tools used. Keep in mind that there are limitations to the process, and perfect restoration might not always be achievable.